20. Foods that may worsen ulcer disease. Did you know that certain foods can aggravate ulcer disease and slow down your healing process? In this video, we reveal 20 foods that may worsen ulcer disease and explain why they could be harmful. If you're managing ulcers or looking to prevent them, this is a must-watch. Stay informed and take control of your health. Watch the video to learn more and limit the use of these foods when diagnosed with peptic ulcer disease. 1. Spicy foods can irritate the stomach lining and increase acid production. 2. Citrus fruits highly acidic. They may irritate the ulcer. 3. Tomatoes also acidic, which can worsen symptoms. 4. Coffee. Both caffeinated and decaffeinated coffee can stimulate stomach acid production. 5. Alcohol can irritate the stomach lining and increase acid secretion. 6. Carbonated beverages may cause bloating and increase acid production. 7. Chocolate contains caffeine and fat, both of which can trigger symptoms. 8. Fatty foods. High-fat foods can slow down digestion and irritate the stomach. 9. Fried foods, often greasy. These can aggravate ulcer pain. 10. Peppermint can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, leading to acid reflux. 11. Garlic. Though healthy, it can sometimes irritate the stomach lining in people with ulcers. 12. Onions can be hard on the digestive system and worsen ulcer symptoms. 13. Dairy products, milk, cheese, and other dairy can sometimes exacerbate ulcer pain due to their fat content. 14. Processed meats high in preservatives and fat. They can be harsh on the stomach. 15. Vinegar. Its acidity may irritate the ulcer. 16. Pickled foods high in acid and preservatives, which can aggravate the stomach lining. 17. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which may irritate the stomach and increase acid production. 18. Artificial sweeteners. Some people may experience digestive discomfort from them. 19. Nuts and seeds. They can be difficult to digest and may aggravate the stomach lining. 20. Salty foods can increase gastric acid and irritate the stomach. Conclusion. Managing ulcer disease requires careful attention to your diet, and avoiding certain foods can make a significant difference in your healing process. By steering clear of these 20 foods that may worsen ulcer disease, you can reduce discomfort, prevent flare-ups, and promote faster recovery. Remember, everyone's body is different, so it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a nutritionist for personalized advice. Take charge of your health today. Your stomach will thank you. Thanks for watching. Now you know the 20 foods that may worsen ulcer disease. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends or family who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and advice. Take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next video.